Hey. So I am on my way to get a bus to Seoul because today I am going to be taking you guys to the oldest food market in Seoul. I hope you enjoy. So today I'm heading to 광장 Market, which is in Seoul. So I have to take a bus first and then take the subway. The closest station is Jongno 5Ka. When you come out of exit 7, the first thing you're going to see is hustle and bustle. This market is teeming with life pretty much every day of the week. This market actually sells fabrics, fruit, vegetable, and popular Korean street food. You can see pretty much any popular food from donuts to fruit juice, tteokbokki. So the market itself has, I think, about 6 exits and 2 floors. So it can take a really long time to walk around. I just took a really long walk around with my friends before we decided what we wanted to eat. So we eventually settled on having mandu, which is Korean dumplings. And we got a mixture of beef mandu and kimchi mandu. My friend also wanted to eat japchae, which are like these Korean fried noodles. So we're having japchae and mandu together. And I also decided to have some odeng, which is Korean fish cakes. They are my favorite.
Even though there's a bunch of YouTube creators, there's a bunch of Korean YouTube creators. Yeah, but I personally still feel like people are gonna be like, you're like awkward. Yeah, that like any YouTube.
Some people do stare, but they know what you're doing.
Yeah, they know.
Yeah, they know what they're doing. But they're just like,
When I was getting ready to come here, I was
So after sitting and eating on the benches at one of the stalls, we decided to wash down our food with some shikya, which is a really popular Korean traditional rice drink. It's very sweet. And then head to a place called Itsadong, and this is basically a Hanok village that's been converted into a shopping street, and there you'll find lots of cafes, brunch cafes, street foods, as well as just really nice trinkets. It's really, really pretty. So we finally got to the bakery, which is called Mildo. And as you can see, there was a queue outside because it is so popular and there really isn't a lot of space in there. But we managed to get in, queued up and got our goodies. I went for a banana cube, which is what it's called, and it's this banana kind of pastry cake with cream inside, like banana filling cream and a little bit of cream on top. It's too, I think there's not enough stuff here for like how popular it is. Yeah. Oh my god. You wanted pictures, right? So after this we were really full. We did want to try out more food, but we were absolutely stuffed to the brim. So we literally couldn't fit any more food in our stomachs. So I think it was just time to have a chit chat and then go home. I decided that I was going to take you guys with me to the market in my town to see a little bit more of just because I honestly was not expecting our stomachs to get so full yesterday, and there were so many foods that I wasn't able to show you.
배 찍힌다. 일로 와 있어야지. 맨날 배들을 찍어놔가지고 여기가 찍으면 배가 찍히는 거야. 딱.
So Korean street food is really, really popular, and there's just so much of it. So I decided I was going to take you guys to my local market, which is a 2-minute walk from my house, and try some more of the foods there. So that's what I'm doing right now. And you'll notice, like, in your town and city, you'll find little tents like this one where you can sit and eat and then pay at the end, almost like a mini restaurant but like with street foods. So I have tried odeng. Odeng is my favorite, and it's like this fish. I guess it's like a fish cake.
매운 거 잘 드세요?
네, 괜찮아요. 감사합니다. 네. So now I'm gonna try tteokbokki, and I'll show you what the tteokbokki looks like. So delicious. I love it so much. It is basically stir-fried rice cakes, but they're chewy and they're in this red sauce, and usually you get some onions and odeng and boiled eggs, but it's really, really, really good. So I usually like to have what's called hotteok for dessert. This is basically a Korean pancake. Inside there's honey and nuts. It's really sweet and delicious and kind of sticky and gooey. It tastes really great with ice cream. Delicious! So there's one last thing I want to show you guys, and if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me eating this. I am going to show you Korean hot dogs. So there's loads of different flavors to choose from like plain to sweet potato, and what they do is they take a hot dog on a stick, roll it in batter, deep fry it, and then roll it in some sugar, and then smother it in sauce, and voila. So this is what it looks like. You can see the batter, and mine has chunks of potato on it. It's one of those things where it sounds awful until you try it. Every person who's come to visit me, I have made them try this, and they've been like, "This is good, bitch. It's good." Nom nom. 안녕하세요.